Lately I found when I start to think aloud, there's a longing sound, there is more I could be. In darkness I live for a place I've never seen. It's been calling out to me, that is where I should be. We've never carried days on our own, but now it's up to us to know the weight of being so much more. We will find ourselves on the road. On we march with a midnight song. We will light our way with our lanterns on. On we march till we meet the dawn. We will light our way with our lanterns on. As we walk out with a question, with a doubt, it's finally clear that the light we found. That our day has come and we'll stand for who we are. We are ready, we are young, we have nothing to fear. We've never carried days on our own, but now it's up to us to know the weight of being so much more. We will find ourselves on the road. On we march with a midnight song. We will find our way with our lanterns on. On we march till we meet the dawn. We will light our way with our lanterns on. We held the lights to our faces and realized we were chasing the shadows behind, not worth saving. So burn it bright, forever illuminating. We march with a midnight song. We will light our way with our lanterns on. On we march till we meet the dawn. We will light our way with our lanterns on. In darkness I live for a place I've never seen. It's been calling out to me, that is where I should be. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.